Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are reviewing the Tinga Tinga EA for MetaTrader 5. We'll take a look at what the developer says about the Expert Advisor, its main features, and then analyze the historical backtest results to see how the system performed during testing. As always, this review is intended, for educational purposes only. So take note of that, please. Historical backtests are useful for understanding how an expert advisor has behaved under specific market conditions, but they should never be considered a guarantee of future performance. Okay. So let us start with the marketplace information. Tinga Tinga EA is currently listed for 3,000 US dollars, making it one of the more expensive expert advisors available on the MQL5 marketplace. At the time of this review, it is on version 1.0 and has 5 activations. According to the developer, the EA is a fully automated trading system that combines both scalping and trend following strategies. Now, rather than focusing on a single trading style, it is designed to analyze market conditions in real time and automatically manage both trade entries and exits without requiring manual intervention. The developer also highlights that the EA incorporates an advanced risk management system and is intended to be suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Users can adjust lot sizes and risk parameters according to their own account size and preferred money management approach. Now, some of the key features listed include fully automated trading, automatic trade execution, compatibility with low spread accounts, support for any broker running MetaTrader 5, and a straightforward installation process. Okay. One thing worth mentioning is that the marketplace description is fairly brief compared to many commercial expert advisors. It does not go into detail about the specific indicators or market conditions used to generate trade entries. So it is difficult to evaluate the underlying strategy beyond the general description of combining scalping with trend following techniques. Okay. So now let us just look at the historical back test. Okay, I'm gonna go to my strategy tester right away. All right, so this is where it's gonna be important to separate the developer's description from the actual historical results. According to the report, the results that we had from our back testing, the EA executed 53,952 trades during the testing period, which is just about 7 months. You can see from the 1st of January 2026 to the 22nd of July 2026, that is around 6 months and 3 weeks. All right, so that is an exceptionally high trading frequency, and immediately tells us it immediately tells us that we are looking at a strategy that is extremely active in the market. Okay, so however, despite that large number of trades, the report finished with an overall net loss of 8,692.95. That is really disappointing, right? It's really disappointing. Meanwhile, the test was conducted on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and I used the every tick modeling, for a level of accuracy. All right. Now, another statistic that stands out is the profit factor of 0.44. Generally speaking, a profit factor below 1 indicates that total gross losses exceeded total gross profits during the historical test, and we can see that here the gross loss actually exceeded the gross profit. Now, in this particular report, the difference is significant enough to suggest that the strategy struggled under the tested market conditions. The report also recorded a 38.03% winning trade percentage. All right, this is quite a low win rate. Okay, the lower win rate is not automatically a problem on its own. Some profitable systems intentionally accept lower win rates while aiming for larger winning trades than losing ones. Okay, much larger winning trades than losing trades. However, when we consider the win rate alongside the overall net loss and the profit factor below 1, The historical results suggest that the strategy was unable to generate a positive return during this testing period. And of course, the risk to reward ratio was also not good enough, because if you have a low win rate but an excellent risk to reward ratio, perhaps the risk to reward ratio can cover up. But in this case, average profit was just 33 cents, average loss was 46 cents. You can see the average loss was even more than the average profit. And no wonder we had over 53,000 trades taken, because the EA is targeting just short-term price movements. You can see for a $10,000 deposit, the average profit is 33 cents. The largest profit was 99 cents for a $10,000 deposit, and the largest loss was $28.39. You can see the largest loss was so much bigger than the largest profit. Now, perhaps the most concerning figure in the report is the maximum equity drawdown of 86.94%. Drawdown represents the largest decline in account equity during the test, and a drawdown approaching this level will generally be considered extremely aggressive from a risk management perspective. While different traders have different levels of risk tolerance, this is certainly a statistic that deserves careful attention before considering any live deployment. Okay, and of course, it is important to keep these results in context. Okay, a single historical backtest does not necessarily represent every possible market condition or every configuration the EA can use. All right, different brokers, spreads, account settings, optimization parameters, and market environments can all influence performance. At the same time, historical testing is one of the most valuable tools we have for evaluating an automated strategy objectively. All right, so when a report produces results like this, it is a strong reminder of why independent testing is so important before risking real money. Overall, Tinga Tinga EA offers a fully automated approach that combines scalping and trend following concepts with adjustable money management settings. However, based on the historical backtest results that we have seen, the tested configuration experienced substantial drawdown and finished the testing period with an overall loss. That does not necessarily mean every configuration or future market condition will produce the same outcome, but it does suggest that traders should spend plenty of time carrying out their own optimization and forward testing before considering live trading. And as always, no expert advisor is capable of guaranteeing profits, and every automated trading system should be evaluated using your own broker, account type, and risk parameters before making any trading decisions. All right, thank you for watching, and if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you once again. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.